Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're answering the question between Hunter IO and Clinton AI, which should you use? You see, Hunter IO and Clinton AI, I'm going to term or title this the ultimate should you stalk or spam showdown. Yeah, let's face it, sales outreach is like trying to flirt at a funeral. You need the right tools to avoid looking desperate or getting blocked. Enter Hunter.io. Let's name him the email Sherlock. And Clinton AI. Let's name him the robot hype man. Now, which one should you use? Let's break it down with jokes because sales is already painful enough. Now, Hunter.io vs Clinton AI, the battle of the sales sidekicks. When it comes to category, what's the best for? Hunter.io is best for finding emails like a digital detective, while Clinton AI is best for automating emails like a robot secretary. So who should use it? Hunter.io, use Hunter.io if you need leads, and use Clinton AI if you're lazy. Next category, accuracy. Hunter.io is 80% hit rate, has 80% hit rate, which is better than your ex's excuses. While Clinton AI sometimes writes like a drunk Shakespearean. So who should use it? Use Hunter.io if you hate bouncing emails. When it comes to automation, Hunter.io, you still have to write emails. Yeah, efforts. When it comes to Clinton, it helps you send, follow up, and even CC your mom. So Clinton AI wins for the laziest salesperson. So if you're the laziest salesperson, use Clinton AI. Let's look at the creep level. The creep level of Hunter.io is, I found your CEO's MySpace email. While for Clinton AI, your AI will call them and say, hey, boss. By boss, I mean the person's name. So you can say, hey, Sarah. That is creepy. So who should use it? Use Hunter.io if you embrace the stalker life. Let's look at pricing. When it comes to pricing, Hunter.io is free for live stalking. And when it comes to Clinton AI, you pay it to spam, but it's worth it if it works. So use Hunter.io for budget spies. If you're a budget spy, use Hunter.io. If you are serious about spam, then use Clinton AI. When it comes to the best features, Hunter.io helps you find everyone at a company using domain search. Why Clinton AI helps you do AI follow-ups because let's admit it, humans forget. So which should you use? It depends. If you need emails or automation, you need emails, you choose Hunter.io. You need automation, choose Clinton AI. Now, what's the final verdict? Which one should you use? Well, my advice is this. Use Hunter.io if you need emails and enjoy playing detective, and if you're okay with writing your own messages like a caveman. But use Clinton AI if you rather automate your entire outreach and your soul, and if you accepted that AI will one day replace you, then use Clinton AI. What am I saying in essence? Hunter.io is like the FBI agent of email finding, while Clinton AI is like the robot intern who won't stop emailing. So you can use both if you like. But note something, if you use both, you will either become a sales god or get blacklisted by Gmail. There's no in between. If you are still unsure, ask yourself, do I want to find emails or automate my existential dread? Then pick accordingly. Hope you found this video helpful.